Every drop of milk begins its journey here, at the source. Modern dairies blend nature with precision. Calm animals mean cleaner, safer milk. Hygiene begins before a single drop flows. Every step reduces contamination risk. Technology replaces hands, but not care. The journey officially begins. Milk never touches open air again. Cooling locks in freshness immediately. Every degree matters. Traceability begins at the farm. Uniformity ensures consistency. Clean systems protect future batches. Now, it leaves the farm. Temperature stays controlled, always. Transport is already waiting. From farm to factory, sealed tight. Thousands of liters, one batch. Next stop, the dairy plant. Fresh milk moves fast, but never uncontrolled. Every transport follows strict regulation. Conditions are monitored non-stop. Cold chain integrity is critical. The dairy plant comes into view. This is where raw milk transforms.
Everything seems to be in order. Thanks, officer. Every load is accounted for.
Access granted.
Design favors efficiency. Scale ensures volume without compromise. Logistics keep everything moving. Precision matters even here. Safety before flow. The system seals itself. Nothing is exposed. Clean entry points are mandatory. The transfer begins. From road to reactor. Now fully inside the system. Transport is complete. Inside these walls, control replaces chance. Raw milk enters through a protected gateway. Nothing enters without control. Cleanliness is engineered, not assumed. The system stays closed. Every batch is tested. Identity follows the milk. Data confirms reality. Speed is always controlled. Temporary storage, zero exposure. Uniformity is preserved. Temperature never drifts. Human oversight stays constant. The batch is accepted. Next, preparation begins. Clean floors support clean product. The process moves inward. Every line has a purpose. Preparation is about to begin. Raw milk meets refinement. The first refinement removes the unseen. Only pure liquid moves forward. Cleaning happens without stopping flow. Clarity is engineered. Safety layers stack together. Human eyes still matter. Volume meets balance. Even air is removed. Stability improves consistency. Nothing moves unmeasured. Instant analysis prevents problems. The system approves progression. Hygiene never pauses. Verification follows every step. Gravity assists efficiency. Flow remains continuous. Momentum is controlled. The line is cleared. Preparation gives way to transformation. Now, milk begins to change. Heat begins the transformation. Temperature changes everything. Precision replaces guesswork. Time matters as much as heat. Harmful bacteria are neutralized. Safety is verified twice. Only compliant milk moves forward. Freshness is locked in. Heat leaves as quickly as it arrived. Flow must remain steady. Structure is about to change. Separation is eliminated. Consistency becomes permanent. Systems protect themselves. Many inputs, one result. Experience watches quietly. The process advances. Now, machines take over. The foundation is complete. Verification never stops. Milk is adjusted to exact standards. Fat levels are precisely controlled. Cream becomes a measured ingredient. Balance is engineered here. Exact fat percentages are created. Numbers confirm quality. Nutrition is restored.
Uniformity is essential.
The mixture settles. Nothing unnecessary is added. Shelf life begins here. Stability protects quality. Clean systems run beside live ones. Human confirmation remains vital. The product becomes one. Efficiency takes the lead. Automation ensures repeatability. Machines follow exact commands. Transformation is complete. Now, precision takes control. Here, precision replaces human speed. Containers are cleaned before filling. Invisible threats are eliminated. Alignment ensures accuracy. Filling begins. Every milliliter is measured. Accuracy is confirmed. Closure follows filling. Sealed for safety. Machines see what humans might miss. Information travels with the product. Identity is applied. Nothing slips through. Only perfection passes. Volume meets velocity. Order forms instantly. Protection is added. Secure for handling. Automation completes its task. Traceability is permanent. Final precision begins here. Order is essential for accuracy. Details are verified one last time. Nothing flawed moves forward. Precision protects reputation. Numbers match reality. Protection takes shape. Hands replaced by accuracy. Sealed for transport. Every box is verified. Traceability remains intact. Flow adapts to logistics. Heavy lifting is automated. Consistency builds stability. Limits are enforced. Loads are secured. Movement is locked. Identity scales up. Finishing is complete. Now, quality is confirmed. Before release, quality speaks last. Every batch faces inspection. Testing begins with one unit. The lab never rushes. Seals protect safety. Purity is visible. Numbers reveal composition. Microbes are not tolerated. The batch holds clean. Sensory checks still matter. Authority grants release. Approved for distribution. Quality cleared, flow resumes. Only verified products remain. Order prepares distribution. Visibility ensures control. The product is cleared. Final movement begins. Distribution begins at the dock. Vehicles. Vehicles receive their cargo. Placement ensures stability. Efficiency guides every inch. Safety travels with the milk. Distribution sets in motion. Order and readiness remain. From production to delivery, every step counts. And this is how modern factories produce milk from start to finish. From raw harvest to your table, every step is precise. From raw harvest to your table, every step is precise.